Going on, everybody? It's me, Justin of Bitcoin Vegan Transformational Services, where we work with underappreciated business women to exponentially accelerate their productivity towards their goal. Today is April 1st, and I will not be doing no April Fool's jokes. However, today I want to tell you all that I'll be hosting a live Zoom chat around memory rhythm. Ooh, what's memory rhythm? I know you probably never heard of it, right? However, memory rhythm is the rhythm and cycle your brain goes through learning, right? And this is without any memory rhythm techniques, or any type of memory rhythm techniques that I teach my clients or anything like that. This is just how to hold place a memory longer, and so it can actually be sustained and you can spend less time studying and more time implementing what you learn. So in this Zoom call, please be there. I'll have it around 1 o'clock. If you're interested, comment with your hand up or the 100 and I'll send you a link. Hope y'all have a great day. Enjoy.